Well, I have a 2019 Topps Brooklyn Collection box. It was exclusive to Montgomery Club members from Topps Online and has... I didn't check the sheet. Let me see if I can pull it up. It's got 3 base cards, 2 parallels, and 2 autograph cards, I believe. Comes in this nice box right here. Ooh, very fancy. Jewelry box. Ooh. And here we go. Thick cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I got it right there. You can see in there. Got a nice just top layer here, just a piece of paper. Okay. So I'm not sure how many of these were made. But, okay, so card number 1, I've got a J.D. Martinez. Numbered out of 20. Or not numbered out of 20, card number 20. Okay. Jose Altuve. Card number 31. And Roberto Clemente. Card number 30. Okay, my parallels. I got a Trey Turner. Card number 17. It's black bordered, numbered out of 75. And a Bryce Harper. Number 29, numbered out of 25. My 2 autographs are numbered out of 5, Francisco Lindor. Nice looking card there. And a rookie card of numbered out of 25, UC Kikuchi. So a little bit pricey here. I didn't quite get the big hits, but that's kind of where it stands. So it's kind of hoping for somebody a little better than Kikuchi or Lindor, but so they're the 2 hits from this. Just basic card, numbered out of 5 and numbered out of 25. So a little disappointed, but I mean, it's a gamble. It really is. So anyway, thanks for watching.